Hey there, I'm Dawn Mello, and I'm the Customer Service Manager for CraftCuts.com. One of our employees made a pallet sign with a metal letter for a friend's wedding, and the pictures from it have been very popular. I'm going to show you how to create a rustic wall plaque using a metal vine monogram. The first project used just a metal letter, but I'm going to use a vine monogram that is 14 inches tall. You basically want something proportional to the size of your wooden backer. For the wood plaque, I have 5 pallet boards cut to 20 inches, a couple of 1x2s cut to be about an inch shorter than my 5 boards stacked together, about 16 inches, plus some little scrap pieces, clear coat or stain, 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch wood screws depending on the thickness of the boards, a drill bit slightly smaller than the screws, a Phillips head drill bit, some wood glue, a framer square, and a pencil. Assemble the boards by placing them face down horizontally, using a framing square to get them pretty straight. Place the 1x2s on top, making sure they are square. Trace the edges of the 1x2s on the pallet boards. Mark dots for the pilot holes indicating 2 screws on each side per board, so you should have 10 dots on each 1x2. Take the 1x2s off and drill the pilot holes with a drill bit slightly smaller than the screws. Run a bead of wood glue up and down the 1x2s on both sides of the pilot holes. Using the trace marks, place the 1x2s on the boards and press firmly. While the glue is still wet, screw the 1x2s onto the boards with the wood screws. Once the glue is dry, it's time to apply the mounting hardware. Here I'm using picture framing loops and wire, but you can also put eye hooks at the top and hang with fabric or heavy ribbon. Flip the sign over and place your metal letter or monogram in the center. You may want to use the framing square or measuring tape to make sure it is centered. Lightly make a few small marks on the outside of the metal for lining it up later when gluing it down. Put the metal letter aside and apply the clear coat or stain with a 1.5 inch bristle brush with slow and steady motion. Now the finish is dry and it's time for the whole piece to come together. Glue the little scrap pieces of wood to some thicker areas on the back of the monogram. Then dab some glue onto the back of the wood piece to set on the backer. Place the letter on the wood on the trace marks, press firmly, then let it set until the glue dries completely. This monogram wall plaque has rustic style that looks great for a special event or as wall decor year-round. Good luck with your project, and if you have any questions about custom metal letters, please contact us. I'm Dawn Mello from CraftCuts.com, and thanks for watching.